Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do overlay on Capcut PC. So first you just have to open your Capcut, drag the first video, and let's just say you want to overlay this video right here. There are two things, you can drag it beside or you can just drag this video on the top of this first video right here. So once you tap this, as you can see, sometimes it covers the whole video right here. So in order for you to simply resize this, what you're going to do is you have to click the video, that circle, and then just drag it or, just drag it up and down in order for you to resize. So that's it. Basically, this is how you overlay a video or even a picture here on CapCut. You could also adjust the length of the picture or video. Everything is up to you. You can also do this auto removal if you want to remove the background of the video that you have overlay here on CapCut. But this one is optional. So basically that's it. You just have to drag the first picture or video and then drag the second picture or video in order for you to overlay a picture or video here in CapCut. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to adjust this. If you want to add more effects, everything is up to you. So basically this is how you do overlay on CapCut PC. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.